3M Healthcare. Not in retail packaging, factory packaged. 2 3/8 by 2 3/4, 6 by 7 cm. Window frame. A breathable, transparent film dressing, impermeable to liquids, bacteria, and viruses and designed for protecting skin and wound sites. Top reviews from the United States. Used to secure estrogen patch. I know and love Tegaderm. I am normally allergic adhesive from tape, bandaids etc. Never with this product is there a reaction. I use an estrogen patch and it is changed weekly. Honestly, if you don't use a patch of Tegaderm over it, the patch comes off the first time you shower. My doctor said this was a great idea. I can use just one small patch of Tegaderm to keep the patch intact and working all week. It lasts through 7 showers. I never have a reaction and I am not sensitive to this product. I wear the same patch all week. I change locations with each change and I can't be more pleased. This product saves me money, not having to use my patches too soon because it fell off or I lost it.